Hi, today I'm going to discuss about variables. So basically in JavaScript we have variables and it is used to store the value. It is like similar to container where we can store the items, and JavaScript where these are used to store data. So we have var let const to store values in JavaScript, and the let and const was added to JavaScript in 2015, and we are using var from initially days, like it is older as compared to late and const. Okay, all these three have different advantages and disadvantages. We will discuss. Okay, don't worry about that. So basically JavaScript is a loosely typed language. It means that you can declare a variable without giving the data type of that variable, as you have seen in Java or in maybe in C, that you have to give the data type of the variable which you are declaring. But in Java there is nothing like that. Okay, let's see. Like I will give you example. So in I will declare one variable. I'm opening that play code where I will do all the coding stuff. Okay, so let me declare one variable x and I'm storing 10. So I have declared one variable and variable name is x and I'm storing 10 value in that variable. And now I can use this 10. Suppose I will print this 10 in the console.log and x. So I can see that I have printed that variable value in that console. As JavaScript is a loosely typed language, we can change the value of x from integer to string. I can now store some string like dim, and see I'm able to see that in the console. So there is no error if you change the type of this variable. Previously it was of int, now I have changed to dim. Similarly I can change to int again and it will not give any error. So this is advantage of JavaScript, sorry. Okay, and there are some rules, like we have to follow some rule while declaring a variable. Okay, so it should start with letter. So it should start with letter, like first, and it should start with letter. It can contain like underscore in the middle, or you can like add a number like first 10, and you can use this first 10 to do all the stuff. So you can have these are like rules. You can start with underscore first, that is also allowed. You can start with dollar also, dollar first. Okay, so these things are allowed while declaring a variable. So JavaScript is like variables are like case sensitive. So the var first equal to 10, and var, if I make this f capital and change the value to some other value, so these two variables are different. Okay, as it is case sensitive. If I try to console these two values. See, I'm getting two different values because these two values are different. And yeah, and we cannot use reserved word in while like declaring a variable. What I trying to say is like there are some word which are have some meaning, which have some meaning in JavaScript. You cannot use that word. Suppose if I try to use the word break, break equal to 10. So see, I'm getting this break is not allowed as variable declaration because break has some specific meaning in JavaScript. When I use that switch, there is a switch which I will teach you in later. There it is use break, so it has some specific meaning, so you cannot use. Similarly, public, it has some specific meaning, so you cannot use this as a variable. Similarly, try, it has some specific meaning. Throw, so all the reserved word which are there in JavaScript, you cannot use them. Other than that, you can use anything. And like I will discuss about what is difference between varlet and const in my coming videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.